All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this going. Happy Sunday to you guys. Happy Sunday fun day. Let's get it to you here. So, looking at the dot. Wait, hold on. And we gotta go on a weekly here. So we are buying the US dollar for this week, looking for US dollar to come back to 104, and then we'll see if it breaks back to 105. So that's what we'll be doing for the US dollar. We are buying the US dollar index. Indices, selling Wall Street, US 30 back down to 32 to 31,000. S&P 500, looking for S&P to drop back to 39 to 3,800. And then NASDAQ is the only one that is still trying to keep going up. So this is kind of weird. Usually if one of the indices drop back, we would end up selling. So NASDAQ is the one that's still trying to climb up to 13,000. Looks like it's running out of steam here. So personally, hedge the position, one buy, one sell. This is a really tricky pair at this point because, like I said, indices usually follow each other. But this one has been moving on its own. So don't get too caught up with NASDAQ here. But we're selling Wall Street and selling the S&P 500, buying the US dollar index for this week. Gold, we are selling gold. There's a lot of what I've seen is previous line resistance. Let's see if we can close it. Yep. So very similar to what it's doing here. Just be cautious. Resistance, very similar to what it did back here, March of 2022. And we are still in March. So this is March 26th. So very similar to what it did last year. And who knows? It could be just a small retracement, but we're selling gold. I'm looking for gold to come back down to 1960 and 1950. We'll see where it goes from there. Like I said, it still hasn't given up its gains. It's still at the previous high, marking at the two resistance prices at 19, almost 1980. So we'll see if it goes above to break that to test 2000 again. And we will see if gold actually makes a new higher high. If it does not, then I'll be looking to sell gold all the way back down to 1900. So we'll see how all that works. We are buying UJ, looking for UJ to come back to 131 to 132. And then we'll see if it even goes above 132. Euro, looking to buy Euro. Sell Euro, my bad. We're selling Euro to dollar. Looking for it to come back down to 107 and then see if it breaks 107 down to 106. Buying Euro GBP. Looking for Euro British Pound. Looking for it to go back to 88. And then we'll see if it breaks 88 back to 89. Pound to the dollar. So looking to sell the pound here back down to 122 to 121. And then the final one would be like 120. And we'll see. There's just a lot of consolidation from 120 to 123. So we'll see where it goes. But like I said, there's a lot of consolidation, but we're going to be selling because there's a lot of resistance at the 123 price. Okay, buying U-Swiss. We're buying U-Swiss. A lot of support has been seen here, but then there's a lot of consolidation previously. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this. There's a lot of consolidation previously, very similar to what it's doing here. We are still buying U-Swiss. It has not come down to break below 90. So looking for it to break 92 to 93. Okay, let's clear this up. All right, UCAD. Let's talk about UCAD. We are buying UCAD. What's going to be very interesting to see is if UCAD comes back to break above 138 to 140. If it does create more line of resistance at 138, I'm going to go back and sell UCAD. So UCAD is still at its peak of highs, but also it could also break a new high. And that's what I'm looking forward to. It's still on this uptrend. And we'll see if it keeps going up. If it does not, I'm going to end up selling at the 138 price. Australia and New Zealand. So we're selling both Australian and New Zealand dollar. Looking for the Australian dollar to come down to 65 Hold on. Yeah. We're going to come down to 66 and then 65, and it's on New Zealand dollar. Looking for a New Zealand dollar to hit 61, and then if it breaks 61, the next move would be 60. Other than that, I don't know if there's anything going on for the last week of March, but let's see. And Wednesday, not much for Wednesday. Okay, so there isn't a whole lot going on for the news this week, but this is the last week. March 31st is this Friday, so it's pretty crazy. It's been this month's going pretty quick too. So other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Anything else, let me know in the Telegram chat group. Peace out, guys. All right, let's go ahead and talk about crypto here, guys. So personally, I'm actually looking to sell crypto. I'm looking for Bitcoin to come back down. So we're gonna hop into the weekly chart and explain. I'm gonna hop into the weekly charts now. We're on weekly charts right now. I'm sorry, guys. I apologize. So I'm on the weekly charts right now. Looking to sell crypto, all of them. Litecoin trying to make a move, but then there's a lot of resistance here. So on the weekly, you guys get a chance to really see and dive down the full view perspective of the trend, where things are going. Ripple tried to make a move back to here at 48 cents. But I'm selling all the cryptos, looking for them to come back down again. All right, so let's go down to the daily charts here, guys. Looking for Bitcoin to come back down. There's a lot of resistance at 28,400 right here. Looking for it to come back down to 27 to 26,000. I'm selling Ethereum. Looking for Ethereum to come down to 1,700. And then we'll see if it breaks 1,700 to 1,600 here. Let's see. Litecoin. Looking for Litecoin to come back down. I'll highlight this right here. Come down to 90 to 89. Let's see if it breaks 90 down to 89, 87 here. Selling Shiba. There's a lot of consolidation in between this price mark here, what I have set up here. From the 11 to 10 price here, so don't get too caught up. Dogecoin, selling Dogecoin back down to 7 cents, and then we'll see if it breaks 7 cents back to 6.5 cents. Selling Tezos back down to $1.10, and we'll see if it breaks that to $1.05, or maybe a possible move back down to $1. Ripple, massive move for Ripple, but I'm still selling Ripple. Looking for Ripple to come back down to 42 cents, and then next target would be 40 cents. Neo, looking to sell Neo back down below $12, like around back to $11.50, $11.40. Dash, looking to sell Dash, back down to 56 to 52. Solana, selling Solana back to break 20, down to go below 20 to 19 to 18. Zcash, selling Zcash, looking for Zcash to break down to 34 to 32. So that's all I got. Obviously, Tether is a stable coin, so we get too caught up on that. Other than that, I'm really paying close attention to Bitcoin itself and seeing where this coin is headed. So, other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Let me know in the chat group if there's anything that I need to do. So, other than that, quick analysis. Some crypto looking for a major move for Bitcoin and the major coins to come back down. All right, peace out, guys.